Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny, back at it again with the S2K. So, what we got going on today is we're relocating the fuse box and the power steering module. But, I ran into a problem already and I'm barely getting into it. So, let me explain. So basically, you see these rivets here. I'm assuming everybody already knows these rivets are the rivets that keep this wide body piece to this fender right here. Now every rivet is able to come off except one. This one. It is not coming off for some reason. It's spinning on the other side, which is weird. It shouldn't do that. I tried a couple things to get it off. It's not coming off. It's being stubborn. So instead, I'm going on to plan B. Plan B is instead of just having the power steering module out here, I'm gonna see if I can put it somewhere inside as well with the fuse box. Something maybe I could have done from the start, but I thought this would have been a little bit easier, but I guess not. So let's go into the passenger. Alright, so here we are. We're inside the passenger full well. So I got all the wires as you see coming in through right there. Those are fuse box wires, the ones right here, except for this one. This one goes to the power steering module. Now I'm hoping I could probably get that in here, the other wire in here, and set this up somewhere around here. Because as well as I'm gonna need a ground, so I'll be able to set up the ground somewhere in this area. The fuse box would go somewhere around this area. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm gonna figure it out as I always do. So I mean, other than that, I think that's about it. That'll be it for today. I mean, if I have anything else, I mean, I might have to rewire. I'm gonna pull some stuff through here and we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna set everything up and then we'll go from there. Alright, you guys. So I got it through and there it is, the fuse box. It's connected and all because I needed to. Reason being is I just want to have it connected already, only because this last wire over there, so it's green, brown, brown, green. They all have enough play except the one at the very end. It has very minimal play. I had to play around with this right now with the fuse box. I had it facing like that way, horizontal. Now it's vertical. That was the best bet without having to extend the wires. So put it horizontal, then get that green one at the very front first. Let me see if I can. I can't really see it, but that green one, then the brown, then the brown, then the green. So that'll be your best bet if you're gonna do it on the inside with the fuse box on the inside without having to put it in the fender, as well as with the module. I was able to get the wires on the inside. That one wire that was out there by the fender, I got it in here. And then I got the other two in here, and I'll probably just like mount it up somewhere. I was thinking right here for the ground at least, but I'll figure that out right now. All right, so let me explain a little more in detail of what's going on here. So these four wires, or these four looms, harnesses, whatever you want to call them, connectors that go into the fuse box. So when you put them in through the hole, there's a left and a right. You want to go right. You want to go to the side where it's closer to the frame. Put them through there. Try to put all of them through there. The ones that you could probably go on this side are this one that goes to the, and this other one right here. And then you got the battery one. I'll have to extend that one, but I'll have to do that later. But for now, yeah, like I said, throw them through the side of the firewall, closest to the firewall, so you can have you'll get enough play with them. And then throw the one that's connected with the battery. This one's the one that's like kind of connected with the battery. Go ahead and throw that one to the other side of the firewall, as well as the other ones. These three are the ones for the power steering. Go ahead and throw them to the side of the firewall as well. So then after that, you'll have connect the fuse box first. You'll connect the fuse box, then you're gonna grab the fuse box, kind of like push it up over here, and it goes like that. So there it is. Now it's out of the way, and you can like kind of adjust it in a way. You can grab the power steering module. There is behind here this frame right here that you could probably drill into and set it up like right here, and then just connect everything first and then drill in there. And then you got your, like I said, your two other wires that you just gonna plug into the screws. And then, I mean, pretty much, yeah, that's all you gotta do. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Alright, so here it is. I forgot to mention also, there'll be the big ass harness right around this area. Alright, so the big ass harness will be right here. Go ahead and push it up over here. There'll be like a little slot in between the firewall and this shit. I'm guessing that's the AC. Go ahead and push it up in there. And then this right here, connect that first one farthest away from you, and then the middle, and then the last one. I also was able just to push it right here. You might not even need to connect it or anything. I mean, drill it into your frame. I mean, if you want to, it'll look like that. If not, you can probably just push it in there. It'll stay in there. Same with the fuse box. I mean, they're pretty secure in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I mean, this is how it looks. Picture it without that wire. Say someone comes into your car. Oh, let me come into your car. Go ahead, go in. And hold on, the battery's right behind me. And then look at that. What's new? Nothing, dude. Did you do a wire tuck? No, dude. Then what the fuck is that wire doing right there? But I mean, other than that, fuck. I have the battery right here, that's why I'm not able to sit that good. But I mean, look at that. This is like pretty good, like it's out of the fucking way. It doesn't ruin your passenger's fucking, like, you're good. You're set. Also, when you're doing this, you're gonna have to remove that panel piece that's right here. But you'll be able to push it back in, kind of, where you see where, just pushed it back in there. Just so you know, it looks still good. There's just a one clip up here and right there. But I mean, other than that, it's still looking good. If you want the panel piece back in, you'd probably have to do this, where you just push it to the back over here, because then you wouldn't be able to do it when it's drilled in and whatnot, and I wouldn't want to drill in this panel piece. But other than that, everything looks pretty fucking good. I just gotta connect these right now. I'm not sure if they connect to certain ones or what not, but I'll have to figure it out. But yeah, this is the relocation of the fuse box and the power steering module. Instead of putting it into your traditional fender, I feel like this is better. This is just like having your fuse box under your foot on the driver. I feel like it's better. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of all this trash, dirt. Get rid of all this trash, dirt, and debris.
I mean, it's not as crowded over there.
I am also going to be relocating the AC lines. As I said, I'm removing the full air fuel injection system. I'll be relocating the brakes right here. That's gonna have to go in the passenger, and so I'm gonna have to figure that one out for sure. If not, hopefully maybe there's enough room just to get it in here. Yeah, it looks like there's enough room for me to get in here, but we'll see, because some put it like right here, and hopefully I can do that. But anyways, you guys, we're done with that for today. I'm pretty happy that I was able to get that. I feel like that was the harder part of this whole thing. The biggest come up of 2020 right here. I got my very own RX-7. Not to scale, but it's a drift. I got this at Walmart for 40 bucks. They had one the other day that I seen. I didn't grab it, but it was Brian's Nissan Skyline from Fast and the Furious 2. But I got Han's RX-7. This is pretty dope. I'll have to try it out right now. It's for fun. It's nothing, you know, I'm not into too much of the RC drifting, so I'll try it out. Charlie. Oh, he's like, don't take video of me. See? So we came out here right now. I got one of my techs right here working on this is the new project car right here, a 1964 Chrysler Imperial with the all red interior. Look at this. Hold on, let me get a light. Look at this. All red interior. This was like the top of the line package with the electronic like windows, everything, dude. Everything top of the line. It wasn't stick shift, it's automatic. It's the automatics right there, like neutral. But yeah, I got the tech routing some electrical wiring for a stereo that we're gonna put in this bad boy, you know, bumping. It's on some 22s.
I think so. You know what's funny is a lot of people keep asking.
Are they 22s? These look like 22s. I would say they're 22s. Look, damn. But this is one of the cleanest cars. This thing is dope. This thing is dope. Hey man, just keep working, alright? No breaks. Are you gonna try it right now? Alright you guys, well that's that for that video. I don't know, which video, what did I do today? Oh yeah, I wire tuck, I got all the rerouted, I relocated the fuse box and the electronic power steering module, which is a good success, but now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with the battery. I don't want to put it in the trunk, but it's looking like it might need to get put in the trunk. I don't want to though, but we'll figure it out anyways. And like I've said before, if you have not got your Meister Company shirt yet, go ahead and hit the links down below. I made sure the links work now. Before they weren't working, you had to like copy and paste, but I got them to work, so go ahead and hit the links down below. Cop your shirt today. Also, we got the Terracikawas too. If you want to get us, DM us for your own custom order, as well as hit the Amazon links down below to check out any products that I've used in the video or in the past videos, or any products that I support. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Oh, what's up?
This one goes in the dark. I don't know if it's dark enough.
Oh, it's not dark enough. You gotta turn off that light. Go back. Ooh. There you go. Look at that. Woo!
I don't know what the hell this like random spot is that glows more than me.
Okay, yeah. But like you saw right now, still in the dark. Pretty dope. I'm gonna cop one for my car. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. For real this time. See you in the next one.